Morning, friends. At present, there is a lot of volatility in the share market of various countries. Indian share market is also behaving very erratically. There has been a downtrend for last so many days. People are worried whether it will have a crash or what will happen to their investment. Friend, through today's video, I am going to discuss what are the fundamental reasons behind downfall in the share markets and what is role of government, academic institutions and investors. What they should do so that stability is restored to most of the share markets. Friend, I am Ramchandra or you are watching Prayas. This is a channel which is dedicated for development of personality of its viewer by giving them useful content. Friend, I am taking live session also on various subjects. Have a discussion forum called Prayas Vichar Manch. I am directing a personality development program and I take help of people who have got some spare time to ensure that poorest of the poor can also take benefit of our programs. If you want to know the detail, please go to description box. Certain links are there, you can click and decide to help me in whatever manner you can. Friend, now let us discuss the issue of today. What are fundamental reasons behind downtrend in most of the share market today? Now, if you are going to discuss share market, you must understand what type of thing it is. Share itself indicates that you are going to get a share in a company, in a legal commercial entity. And if you are shareholder of a company which is commercial in nature, profit nature organization, the value of your share is likely to increase if the profitability of that company improves. So if the profitability improves, the rate of growth in profitability improves, in all likelihood, fundamentally, the price of your share should go up. And if most of the companies listed on share market are performing well, their price will go up and on the whole the share market index will also go up. Now the question is, how a company makes profit? How it accelerates its rate of growth of profit? It is only possible when the promoter of the company, that is the entrepreneur who is promoted the company, is capable, has financial prudence, financial intelligence, and is supported by a capable team of manager and employees. That means unless the personality of the entrepreneur and its support team is strong and effective, the company cannot perform well. So if you really want to see that share market performs well, your investment multiplies, and if government has to do something, government has to ensure that the entrepreneurship is nurtured and developed in the country. so that they are able to promote new companies, manage them well, and all academic institutions, mostly business schools, they must ensure that the people coming out of academic institution have got financial and business prudence and overall strong personality, so that they can contribute positively to their employer's mission and vision, and company performs well. So unless the human resource development is excellent, entrepreneurship is excellent, support staff is excellent, the share market fundamentally cannot excel, and your investment may not multiply. One related aspect is also there, that if the people's personality is strong, effective, self-motivated, self-directed, self-controlled, through positive intervention of academic institutions or other people, they will get job or they will create job. Through that, most of the population will earn, their income will increase, and if the income will increase, disposable income will also improve, and if that improves, then they will consume. There will be demand for goods and product and services in the market. More and more company will come, our existing company will also grow because of growth in demand. They will perform well. So that way, the savings which will be there with such a large number of people, it will also get invested in share market. That will also give a boost to the prices of shares. So if we want a stable share market, we have to invest in education, training, entrepreneurship, human resource development. But one thing I must tell you, that there is another factor, demand and supply. If the good shares are less in number in the share market, and there are too many investors and they are pumping money in the share market, the price will automatically go up. Now, in last so many days, especially in the Indian share market, foreign investors have withdrawn more than 3 lakhs crore rupees, Indian rupees. Because of that, also the share market is going down, because demand has gone down because of that. Of course, up to some extent, domestic investors have invested in the share market, but if we compare the both, then on the whole there is a net withdrawal from the market. So the market has gone down. Of course, nobody can guess that when the people will withdraw, when they will not withdraw, but basically the institutional investors who are investing and withdrawing are intelligent enough to make a call whether I should remain invested or I should withdraw from this market. So perhaps they also see some negative aspect of overall economic scenario, so they withdraw. So if your fundamentals are strong, of course they may not withdraw, they may remain invested. And today, this is the age of globalization. That means if there is opportunity in any country of the world, the capital will move from one country to another. So today is a day of merit, capability. The country which develops competency will certainly perform well, its share market will perform well, economy will perform well. And those people who neglect competency, don't develop it proper manner, their share market will suffer, their economy will suffer, their people will suffer, the quality of life also will become bad. So I want to conclude by telling that unless we work on entrepreneurship, human resource development, effective education and training, the business ecosystem will not improve, performance will not improve, share market will not perform well, it will remain volatile depending upon demand and supply, and investor will continue to suffer. But I can tell you as an investor that you must invest your money through a professional investor, mutual fund or fund manager. Because it is very difficult to locate a good company, good entrepreneur, good prospect at individual level. And you may not have so much time also. So if you do that and remain invested for long term, you will get benefit of compounding irrespective of up and down in the share market in the long run. So friend, with this I want to conclude by telling that if you want to bring stability in share market, you have to work on human resource development, especially on entrepreneurship. The rest will take care of itself, and you should not get panic by periodical up and down in the share market. If the fundamentals are strong, if the company is strong, if the company is profitable, certainly in the long run it will give you return. Friend, before I part, I must request, please take care of your health, mental and physical. Keep away from garbage, adopt healthy lifestyle, you will remain fit, and keep on working on your personality so that it becomes stronger and stronger, and you succeed in whatever field you want to work. Thank you very much.